Yes. I got the video already going.
So, do you want to save animals? Now there was the time to do it. So,
Clean out your ditches, people. Clean
Yes.
out.
because some animals have to drink out of ditches, and this could poison them. It's very gross.
This is
green.
the first time.
And sometimes it's a little brownish.
Oh. This is my first time being the cameraman.
And so it's important to make sure there are no yucky
Gooey stuff.
in your ditch. Once in a while, if there is, just clean it out, people. This could totally poison animals on your side of this crowd. So everybody.
She doesn't actually know that.
Everybody.
But we don't actually know that because we're not scientists.
I am.
We're just,
We're science kids.
seriously, you had to tell them? Also, this is my first time being the cameraman.
And this is how gross it can be sometimes.
Oh, goodness.
Doesn't that gross?
Kids, comment down below if that's gross or not.
Yeah, comment down below. And please tell your parents that this is super gross. And
Also, look outside to see if you actually have this.
Yes.
Yeah.
this
And also, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and click that bell. So you never miss a video.
So kids, don't forget, clean out the ditch once in a while so you don't poison the animals. Because, look at this, kid. Once more. It's disgusting. Ew. Bye, kids. Don't forget, clean your
Ditches with
Clean your-
sticks.
Clean your ditches with just clean the ditches or you'll poison animals around our world.
Yeah, but we don't actually know that yet. So
So-
peace out.
Peace out.